platform where you can get remote jobs or work from home jobs, freelancing jobs where you can do and earn money in 2025. I recommend Upwork. Upwork is one of the best platform, one of the trusted platform, one of the oldest platform for freelancers to work from home. So you come here, you optimize your page. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then when you optimize your page, you're going to see jobs appear on your feed. Now if you optimize your page as an SEO writer, your what the jobs you'll be seeing is going to be based on a writer. If you optimize your page as a social media manager, video editor, graphic designer, web designer, AI educator, whatever you can do, virtual assistant, anything, AI robotics, anything, your feed is going to be showing those jobs particular to you, what you optimize your page on, and then you are going to apply. Of course, you can see a lot of jobs here. We have a lot of jobs here. I have a lot of jobs, and none of them are under writing because I optimize my page as a content writer, right? So all of them here: copywriting, right, professional reader, script writer, and plenty of them. Now if you like any of them, the next thing to do is just click on any of them, and then when you click on any of them that you like, the description of those jobs is going to pop up like it just popped up, showing you all the description and the requirement that the recruiter wants from the person who is supposed to apply. So if you read them and you meet up the requirements, then you hit the apply now button. So you can see that this is what the person just wants: simple, very simple stuff, and then this is what he's paying, and the job is less than 30 hours a week, and then you just see everything here. And then when you like the job and you think you are qualified, you click on apply. Now when you click on apply, another page is going to pop up to show you where you can write something like your cover letter. Maybe you can submit your CV if you want to, and then it's not compulsory, but I recommend that you add your CV. This is a cover letter. You can just write about why you are qualified for the job, and that's cover letter, right? And then you can attach your CV, or if your cover letter is in a PDF format or in a Word format, you can also attach it here. So once you attach, you click on submit proposal, and then if the recruiter likes your sees your proposal, is going to check your profile, is going to check whatever you write. If he likes you, he's going to pinch you as a message, and then you're going to start communicating as if you're communicating on your DM like Facebook and all of that, and then you're going to land your job. All right, so but the most important thing here in order to get your job is your profile. Your profile is very important. If you apply for jobs here, the first thing the recruiter does is that he comes to your profile. So you come to your profile, click it, and it will bring you to this interface where we are already. Of course, see the way I optimize my profile. It looks perfect. The picture looks perfect. My name here, this is my location. You are seeing, I'm not hiding anything. I will put in it clear for you to see where it is. And then I'm an SEO content writer, editor, article. See the way it's structured, very professional. Let's see more. See here, I just talk about myself here. So if he clicks here and see that this is what I offer, the 11 reasons why he should hire me. All right, just see them looking very, very sweet, and then you optimize it properly. So when the person come here, he's going to hire you based on your profile, right? So you optimize your profile and start looking for job. I put it to you that Upwork is one of the best platform out there that if you dedicate your time and always staying active with it, it's going to give you those jobs that you want. Of course, you must stay online all the time if you want to get job. Now, let me give you a bonus tip. Tip one is that you must be active online. It's just like you staying active, because if a client message you and you are not available to respond to him, he might decide to move to another person. Of course, let me come back to these jobs. You see, let me come back to this job. You see that this job was posted yesterday and it already has 20 to 50 people that applied. You can see that the competition is here, so you need to be active online. So this is a bonus. The bonus tip two is that your profile must be complete. I've been saying that, and then when you apply, you start getting your job. See, there are jobs. You have gotten like 3 jobs from here. Yes, or more than even. And if you want to keep seeing content writing jobs, you can just simply like this, love it. You want to keep seeing this kind of job, you like it, and then over time those jobs are going to keep applying. So if you find any value with this video and you think that this video meets your expectation, please kindly help me like the video, subscribe to my channel, and it will help me motivate me to keep producing videos like this.